Good morning, guys. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Today, we're going to learn a new topic. Do you want to know what topic is? Okay, it's the farm animals. Do you know the farm animals? No? Okay, we're going to start with a song. You have to pay attention and sing. Okay? Great job. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, here we go.
The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Oink, meh, ba. The horses on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. The roosters on the farm say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Let's try it a little faster. The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. Okay, a little faster. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Oink, meh, ba. Okay, super fast. The horses on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. The roosters on the farm say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh, moo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh, moo, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Great job! Excellent! Good at singing. Okay, let's review the vocabulary, okay? Listen and repeat after me. Okay, let's start. This is a ship. Repeat, ship. 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 Great job. This is a rooster. Repeat, rooster. 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 Excellent. This is a horse. This is a horse. 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 Great job. This is a duck. Repeat, duck. 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 Excellent. This is a farm. Repeat, farm. This is a farm. Farm. Excellent. This is a goat. This is a goat. Repeat. Goat. 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 This is a hen. This is a hen. 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 And this is a cow. This is a cow. 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 Great job! Now let's do it faster, okay? Are you ready? Okay. Cow. Hen. Goat. Farm. Duck. Horse. Rooster. Sheep. Great job! Now you're ready to do the books. Okay? Go and take out your student book. In the page number 84. The page 84. This page. Okay? Excellent. Now you have to listen and point. Okay? Listen and point. Okay, are you ready? Okay. This is a cow. This is a horse. This is a goat. This is a hen. This is a hen. This is a dog. This is a dog. This is a rooster. This is a rooster. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. That is a tractor. That is a tractor. Great job! Guys, do you know what place is this? Yes, it's a farm. It is a farm. Great job! Okay, now you're ready to pass to the practice book. Go and take out your practice book in the page 84. 84. Look, this page. 84. Are you ready? Yes? Great job. First, we are going to write, look, like cricket. We are going to write the names of the animals, okay? It says, what animal live on a farm? What animal live on a farm? Let's write the names of the animals, okay? First, begin with the cow, right? Cow. Sheep, goat, horse, hen, rooster, and duck. When you finish, you have to trace, like cricket, look, trace with colors the animals. You have to trace the animals, okay? Excellent. When you finish, pass to the page 85. 85. First, you have to look. Like cricket. Look. Look. What animals live on the farm? Is the elephant lives on the farm? No, he doesn't live in a farm. The cow lives on the farm? Yes, she lives on the farm. So I paint the cow. The kangaroo lives on the farm? No, so you don't paint the kangaroo. The sheep lives on the farm? Yes, so you have to paint it. The horse lives on the farm? Yes, you have to paint it. And the last one, the monkey lives on the farm? No, so you don't paint the monkey. Excellent, guys. Great job. You finish. Now you can go and watch the video again so you can practice the vocabulary, okay? Great job, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.